गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू मनाली। वेलकम टू डे 5 इन मनाली। तो अभी ब्रेकफास्ट करने जा रहा हूँ, उसके बाद आगे का प्लान डिस्कस करेंगे। तो ब्रेकफास्ट हमारा अभी करके हो गया है, नहा धो के रेडी है टू गो टू टुडेज डेस्टिनेशन। आज हमारे पास 2 रहेंगे एंड थर्ड इज़ जस्ट लाइक टाइम पास के लिए। तो फर्स्ट रहेगा हमारा हिडिम्बा माता का टेम्पल, जो यहाँ पे नज़दीक ही है, 100 मीटर पे, 100-200 मीटर पे। और दूसरा रहेगा हमारा वैशिष्ट टेम्पल, जो मनाली से अराउंड 4 to 5 किलोमीटर्स दूर है। वहाँ की स्पेशलिटी वो सब आपको मैं बाद में वीडियो में बताऊँगा। As far as I know, I think there are 2 roads which you can take to get to the temple area, and I think the one which we are taking right now is the back road. If you're going through this road, then you'll see a lot of hotels, restaurants and some few shops as well. और बहुत ही जल्द आप पहुंच जाओगे माता हिडिम्बा के टेम्पल के सामने। This ancient temple is situated in a dense forest, which is a surprise in otherwise touristy Manali. You will find queues of devotees in and around the temple complex. While devotees from all over the country are a regular here, locals pray to the goddess as well. The temple was built by Maharaja Bahadur Singh in 1553. A 4-story structure which looks like a cabin in the woods. Look closer and you will spot its exteriors with sacrificial remains of animals. Animal sacrifice is still a norm at this temple. Devotees believe that the temple stands at the site where Devi Hidimba used to meditate. This reference connects the site to the days of Mahabharata. When you mention Manali, this temple is on everyone's list. If Manali was a person, this temple can rightly be called its heart. Its courtyard is quite commercial, with locals selling everything from yak cheese and wild gooseberries to yak rides or to taking pictures with rabbits and also wearing their local attire. Now, with the temple done, I'm heading out for some lunch. But before that, while heading out from here, I wanted to, relive my childhood memory of holding a rabbit and sitting on a yak. So here I am just doing that. So हो गया अभी हिडिम्बा टेम्पल, याक पे बैठ के हो गया, रैबिट को भी पकड़ के हो गया, ओल्ड हमारे यादें भी ताज़ा करके हो गया। अभी जा रहे हैं हम लंच करने एंड देन विशिष्ट टेम्पल। यहाँ पे कौन सी भी एग्जिट लो, यू हैव टू वॉक अ लॉट, सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट। और यू कैन कम हियर फर्स्ट ओनली विद अ टैक्सी and go back in the same vehicle. These rickshaws and taxis you'll get at literally any junction here on the street. Or if you're feeling a bit adventurous, you can rent out scooters here and roam in and around Manali. So हम लोग को वहाँ पे रिक्शा भी नहीं मिली एंड टैक्सी भी नहीं मिली because there were taxis and rickshaws but they were already booked. So हम लोग अभी 2 किलोमीटर 2.5 चल के आ रहे हैं। One advice though, if you are coming down from Hidimba temple, use the back gate and उधर से आप नीचे आना, that would be much closer. So yeah, मिलते हैं अभी मॉल रोड पे लंच करने के लिए। Like always, I'll mention all the prices in the description of this video. चलते चलते फाइनली अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं मॉल रोड पे। After a very heavy lunch, it was time to head towards the next destination for today. So we are taking the rickshaw from Mall Road itself to Vaishisht temple. It is about 5 kilometers from here and the fare is 150 rupees. This temple is in the same direction as was Rotang Pass and Atal Tunnel. So we are going through the same road. Just check out this view right now, guys. Isn't it unreal? And as we climb on top, the view is turning into a narrow street filled with shops and tourists. Learning from our previous mistake, this time we have told the rickshaw driver to wait for us and take us back to Manali, to which he agreed to. So now, with a peaceful mind, let's check out these temples. This place, Vaishisht, was named after Rishi Vaishisht, one of the 7 sages of Hindus. This place, called Vaishisht, also houses many temples that are dedicated to Saint Vaishisht, Lord Rama, and also Mahadev. This beautiful village is famous for its hot water springs and Vaishisht temple, which is built just next to the spring. The water from the springs is believed to have great healing powers, which can cure many skin diseases and other infections. There are separate baths for both men and women. The water is actually very warm, crazy warm. Don't go by the color of the water, it's really very nice and warm. This place has a refreshing atmosphere that allows one to indulge in exotic baths while seeking blessings from the deities in the temple. There is also an ancient stone temple known as the Rama temple adjacent to the Vaishisht temple. Vaishisht village is an important Hindu pilgrimage center. This place also offers an excellent view of the Bas River and Old Manali. The river valley spread below at the sunset gives an excellent sight and a great place for photography. This place seems quite crowded with only a few spots for parking for a 4-wheeler. So I suppose it's best you come here by rickshaw or by a 2-wheeler. तीनों मंदिर में दर्शन करने के बाद और कुछ लोकल शॉपिंग करने के बाद now I'm heading back and heading to find my rickshaw. While heading down, you would be greeted with a lot of motor adventure shops and some cafes as well. One more important thing to remember here is that on weekends, this place gets extremely crowded due to the small roads. And just like that, in a few minutes, I'm back at the mall road again. Since it's my last day here at Manali, I thought of spending it here, doing some last moment shoppings and eating and trying new stuff. Just roaming around in Mall Road and watching some artisans create art as well.
And I'm sure this is the last time you'll see Mall Road in this particular travel series. Talking about the travel series, I hope you all enjoyed this travel series because I loved filming it, I loved editing it, and I loved sharing it with you. We traveled from Goa to Manali, visited Rohtang Pass, Atal Tunnel. The next day we went to Manu Temple and Old Manali. The day after that we went to Kulu to see an art gallery and visit another temple. And in today's episode we visited two of the most famous temples in Manali. Let me know which day was your favorite, which day you all enjoyed the most in the comment section of this video. With that said, let's get back to the room because tomorrow I got to leave very early to head towards the airport at Buntar in Kulu.
चलो जी, हो गया दिन खत्म. फाइनल डे डन इन मनाली. नाउ बैकपैक एंड बैक टू होम. उससे पहले हम दिल्ली जाएंगे.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million.
If you all have watched the video till here, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with a friend or two. I will see you in the next video. Take care and peace out.